want someone to agree to a big favor? Ask for a small one first. This is the foot in the door technique. Psychologists have proven that when someone agrees to a small request, they are far more likely to say yes to something bigger later. It works because people like to stay consistent. If they helped you once, they'll want to continue that behavior. For example, if you ask a coworker to help you with a short task and they agree, they're more likely to help with something more time-consuming later. Or in sales, if someone agrees to a free trial, they're more likely to buy the full product later. The trick here is to build momentum. Each yes leads to a bigger one. But don't jump too fast. Give space between asks. Let the first favor feel natural and not manipulative. Over time, people start seeing you as someone they support. They won't even realize they've been saying yes to more than they ever planned to. It's a gentle, psychological ladder that leads them exactly where you want them to go.